Invideo versus Canva. Which one is the better video editing software for beginners in 2021? Hi guys, today I am comparing Canva with Invideo and we'll figure out that which one of these platforms is better for you to edit your videos like a professional, and if you are a beginner, which one of these platforms will be better for you to use in 2021. So let's get started. Up first, we have Canva. Canva is one of the most famous platforms out there, and when it comes to video editing, we talk about Canva. So when we talk about Canva, Canva is mostly considered as a presentation maker and does not allow you to do videos professionally. It will not allow you to edit videos professionally, but you can make good presentations out of Canva. And I will be actually showing you around that how you actually make videos on Canva as well. But when we talk about Invideo, Invideo is very professional and it allows you to do a lot with your videos. You can actually edit your vlogs, your professional videos. You can do your editing very efficiently, and it allows you to choose from many templates, and there are many features that Invideo offers. So before we jump into the features and everything, let's just check out the pricing for both of these. Now these are all the free versions that I'm using. Canva and Invideo, both of them allow you to create a free account. The sign up process is completely easy and completely free, but there are plans that are available. If we check out the pricing for Invideo, this is the pricing for Invideo. There is a free plan which is $0 per month, and I am at right now using the free plan. And in this free plan, you will actually get up to 5,000 plus video templates, 3 million plus standard media library, automated text to speech, 15-minute video duration per video. Now guys, that's pretty impressive, right? And after that, there is a business plan which allows you to make video with no watermark. I think in free plan, 10 plus iStock media per month, 1 million plus premium media, 60 videos exports per month. That's pretty good. And then there is an unlimited plan which is $30 per month, and in this plan you will get no watermark, everything in free plan, 120 iStock, 1 million plus premium media, unlimited video, and unlock Filmer Pro. So that's pretty amazing. I think the features Invideo is offering in this price is really insane. But when we talk about Canva, let's go to Canva. There is a free plan on Canva, and you can see right here that there are up to 2 million free templates, 100 plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics, invite member to your team, 5 GB of cloud storage. Now that's pretty impressive as well. But when we go to the plan, you can see there is a pro plan which is of $119 per year for up to 5 people. Now that's a good thing about Canva. You can actually create your own team on Canva as well, and then you can have your pricing according to that. Then there is an enterprise, which is of course the pricing will be customized as your features will be customized as well. So in this pro plan, you actually get 30-day of free trial. That's pretty amazing. 10,000 premium free templates, and remove image background, resize design, save design, 100 GB of cloud storage. So that's pretty impressive on Canva as well. But when we talk about the pricing, you can get the business plan for 15. But here's the difference, guys. The Invideo is a video editing software. You will be only editing videos, but in Canva you can see these templates that are free templates. These are also for the image editing and photo editing and for graphic designing as well. So that's a big difference between Canva and Invideo. So now enough with the pricing. We know that both of these platforms are pretty affordable, so let's check them out. Now in Invideo, you can see that there are different categories. You can actually browse your template according to your categories, and you can edit your videos. So let's check out a video and let me show you how this actually works. So let's select a template. So you can see right here, this video is edited through Invideo. You can check out the look of the video. You can actually add different text into your video in the same slide. That's pretty amazing. You can actually add different videos into one slide as well. This feature is actually not available in Canva, and the good thing is that you can actually add different text. When it comes to subtitles, you will be able to add subtitles as well. So this video was kind of like edited from Invideo. Not kind of like, it is edited by Invideo. It is one of the templates. But when we talk about Canva, and let's go to the videos of Canva, for example, let's check this one out. So you can see right here on Canva, you will see that I have selected one of this template, right? So what happens on Canva is that you can actually make a video, but the video is kind of like a presentation video with the slides. And what's gonna happen is, like, check this out. This is first slide, and then I will add another slide. For example, this is second slide. Let's go with this one. So you will see that when the video will be edited, it will kind of like come as a slide. Different slides will come one by one. And when it comes to editing, you cannot actually add different text into same slide. You cannot add, for example, this is the text that I can actually add. Once the text is selected, then I cannot, add different text on different times. So that's actually a big problem on Canva as well. When it comes to being a beginner video editor, and you are a beginner and you're looking for simple presentations for your own personal use, then I think Canva is good for you. As a video editor, you can just go ahead and create fun videos. For example, this one is actually a birthday invitation. So if you want to, make a cute video, you can actually, go ahead and make that as a presentation video. But when we talk about Invideo, it's very professional. You actually can edit your vlogs. You can actually work on Invideo. If you are a professional editor, you can use Invideo to edit your videos. If I use this template, let me show you around how you actually edit videos on Invideo. And Invideo is actually a web-based software. You don't have to download anything. You just simply sign up and use it. Same as Canva, you can actually, go ahead and use it on your web as well. So guys, you can see right here that this is the workspace for Invideo. Pretty professional looking, and you can see all of these different options right here: video, images, and music, text, logo, color, and folder. And this is the template that I am using. You can see that I can actually overlap a scene. I can do a lot of things with this. I can add a voiceover. I can add another scene into this template from another template as well. You can see that, I can actually, create different space, and I can zoom in, zoom out. There is different layers to a video. When it comes to layer, it becomes really easy. And if you do editing, you must know that, adding a layers into your video and layer editing actually is very professional, and it makes things easy. So you can see, as by the look of it too, you will see the difference between Canva and Invideo, because on Canva you can see that this is the editing where you do the editing, right? And in Invideo you will see this is the studio where you will be creating an awesome video of your own. So when we talk about the music, you can actually add music in your Invideo. You can add different music in one slide. You can add different timeline music. You can add voiceovers and do a lot with the music and sound. But on Canva, you can add only one music, which will be, just a background music, which will be played in your presentation. So that's a very big difference between Invideo and Canva as well. So if I want to, edit this scene right here, I can actually edit. I can add different elements into the video. I can edit the text as I want to. You can see there are different texts that have been added. So if I want to edit it, I will just simply click on the text, and you can see these texts are actually on different layers. So that's pretty good. You can actually save your layers as well. If you want to change the color, you can go ahead and change the color of the text, change the color of the slide. You can do a lot with Invideo, and it's very professional. As a beginner, yes, it will become a little complicated for you because you'll actually have to learn Invideo, but once you will be, familiar with it, it will be very easy for you, and you can actually make pretty professional and very good edited videos on Invideo. But when we talk about Canva, on Canva it is kind of like beginners friendly. You can make good videos very easily, and you will be able to learn on Canva very easily as well. So yeah, both of these platforms are pretty amazing for video editing. But if you are doing video editing, you want your video to look good, then I would suggest Invideo over Canva because it's more professional. But of course, you can learn on Canva as well. You can make cute presentations, and on Invideo, you can make your professional vlog. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create amazing videos of your own on Canva or Invideo, whatever you would like to choose. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.